You must thumb up and subscribe. Then you won't miss any city you're concerned, and you have to share with your family and your friends. My education and career. Only the specialist who masters the real estate big data analysis can catch up with the market pulse, can help you sell high and buy low. Please contact me if you want to sell or buy. Technical analysis includes housing price status analysis, market temperature analysis, present trend plus top or bottom of market analysis, and future trend analysis. If you want to learn, please contact me. Housing price status analysis. In February 2021, the Vancouver West detached HPA price increased by 0.96%, equal to $30,600. Its HPA price was $3,203,200. The lowest value of this wave was in August 2019, equal to $2,921,400. From August 2019 to February 2020, the HPA price increased by 9.65%, equal to $281,800. The record high was in July 2017, equal to $3,690,600. Till February 2021, the HPI price still decreased by 13.21%, equal to $487,400. In February, Vancouver West townhouse HPI price jumped up by 2.24%, equal to $25,600. Its HPI price was $1,167,700. The lowest value was in September 2019. It was $1,098,900. From September 2019 till February 2021, the HPI price increased by 6.26%, equal to $68,800. The record high was in April 2018, equal to $1,233,200. Till February 2021, the HPI price decreased by 5.31%, equal to $65,500. In February, Vancouver West condo HPA price increased dramatically by 4.20%, equal to $32,000. Its HPA price was $794,500. The lowest value was in June 2019, which was $744,300. From June 2019 till February 2021, the HPA price increased by 6.74%, equal to $50,200. The record high was in May 2018, equal to $845,400. Till February 2021, the HPA price still decreased by 6.02%, equal to $50,000. Market temperature analysis. Nobody in the world wants to pay more money than the asking price of buying a house unless competition. Therefore, the amount of sales price higher or equal to list price divided by number of sales is an excellent indication of the real estate market's temperature. The higher ratio the hotter the market is. The lower rate, the colder the market is.
In February, 88 detached sold. 34 of those, the sales price higher than or equal to the asking price. The ratio was 38.64%. Wow, this is quite high. And let's look at the townhouses. 58 sold. 22 of those, the sales price higher than or equal to the asking price. The ratio was 37.93%. This ratio is still very high. And also condo, 45 sold. 142 of those, the sales price is higher than or equal to the asking price. The ratio was 31.91%. Oh, let's look at this. All those numbers are very high. Almost every 3 units, there is one bidding. Okay, in February, 591 sold. Let's compare the sales in January and February. Detached, in February, 88 sold, and in January, 68 sold. The ratio of February over January was 1.29, and we can tell the sales increased in February, and the sales price higher than or equal to the asking price. February 34, January 15. The ratio was 2.27. Comparing these two numbers, we can tell the bidding was much higher than in February than that in January. What about townhouses? 58 sold, and in January only 34. The ratio was 1.71. Yeah, absolutely. In February, the market is much harder. And what about the sales price higher than or equal to asking price? In February, 22, and in January, 9. The ratio February over January, 2.44. Comparing these two numbers, we can tell the market is much, booming in February, and the bidding is, much more. And what about the condo? In February, 445 units sold. In January, 284 units. The ratio February over January was 1.57. Yeah, absolutely. The market in February is much harder than January. What about the price? The sales price higher than or equal to the asking price? In February, 142. January, only 57. February over January, the ratio was 2.49. Comparing these two numbers, we can tell the bidding is, much more in February. So we can tell the market in February is much harder. February, there were 591 sold. In January, 386 sold.
Any product's price depends on its demand and supply. If the order is high, the market will increase its value. If the request is low, the price will be getting lower, and the product may even disappear from the market. The real estate market is the same. We apply the market index, which is sales divided by total inventory, to measure the real estate market's demand and supply. The market is in seller's market when the market index is higher than 0.20. 0.20 indicates 20 homes sold per 100 listings. The bigger the number, the hotter the market is. The market is in buyer's market once the market index is lower than 0.12. The smaller the number, the colder the market is. The red line, 0.20, is the boundary of the seller's and the balanced market. The pink line, 0.12, divides the balanced and the buyer's market. When the market index locates in between 0.12 and 0.2, it is a balanced market.
Let's review the market index of Vancouver West in February. The blue line is detached. From August 2017 till February 2019, the market is in a lower end of a buyer's market. From March 2019 till February 2020, the market was isolating in a higher end of a buyer's market. We can see March 2020, it even get to the seller's market. However, it was dragged down by pandemic. Nevertheless, we can tell the index is climbing up toward the higher end of balanced market, and in February it reached 0.20, which is the boundary of seller's market and the balanced market. We can tell the market is coming up. And let's see what happened for townhouse. Orange line is townhouse. Yes, it was down to the bottom in January 2018. However, we can tell the market is coming back to balanced market. However, it was down in 2019 for a while and still isolating in the balanced market. And we can tell, in June 2020, the market is up. It's very clear toward the balanced market, the upper end of balanced market. And in February, it was as high as 0.32, which means every 100 units, 32 sold. That market quite booming. And let's look at the condo. Condo's green line is sliding. It was sliding from the higher end till the buyer's market in January 2019, and then it go back to the seller's market. However, it was dragging down by pandemic, and it gradually it was hovering up, and by the end of last year and the early of this year, it go back to seller's market in February. The index was 0.35, which is seller's market, and 0.35 means every 100 units, 35 sold. The market's quite booming.
Present trend plus top or bottom of market analysis.
The weighted 4-line trend of detached of February tells us the lowest point was in December 2019, and then it was hurry up and golden cross the month line, golden cross the year line in August 2020, and we can tell the month line cross the quarter line, and the quarter line cross the golden line, that year line, and then it's diverging, and it's a very good bullish market. The weighted 4-line trend of townhouse of February indicate the lowest value was in September 2019, and the month line golden cross the golden line in November 2019. That indicates the market is diverge and it go to a bullish market. However, it was affected by pandemic, so the month line going down across the golden line, so it was really bad. However, it's coming back in July 2020, and the golden cross again, and now it's up in February. We can tell that month line is above the quarter line. The quarter line is above the half year line, and half year line is about the year line, and it's in the type of bullish market. The weighted 4-line trend of condo of February suggested the lowest value was in June 2019, and the market turned to a golden cross in January 2020. We can see the month line, golden cross, the golden line, the year line, and then it turned up to a bullish market. However, because of pandemic, it really affected the market and it's coming down. And in September 2020, that cross the golden line. So the market was really bad at that time. However, last 3 months, the market was turning, and in February, the month line goes across the year line again, and the market is go back to bullish market.
Future trend analysis. Should you want to know, please contact me. You must thumb up and subscribe. Then you won't miss anything you're concerned, and you have to share with your family and your friends.